back in her mouth. It's a smart girl. Yeah. Slimy. Bitch, you're not slimy too. There you go. Talk a little bit more. Say hi to your grandma or something. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Say hi, Reggie. Hi, Patsy.